Porsche announced two new model variants to the Cayenne lineup: the 2021 Cayenne GTS and Cayenne GTS Coupe. The highly sporty new models mark the return of a V8 engine to the GTS. The Porsche-developed 4-liter twin-turbo V8, which is shared with the Panamera GTS, generates 453 horsepower and 457 pounds-foot of torque. Mated to a standard 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic transmission and Porsche Traction Management all-wheel drive, the new models are capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds or 4.2 seconds using Performance Start, which is included in the optional Sport Chrono package. Those acceleration times mark an improvement of 0.4 seconds and 0.6 seconds respectively as compared to the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint of the preceding Cayenne GTS. Both models have a top track speed of 168 miles per hour. Sport exhaust is also included as standard equipment with all GTS models. The specially configured system features tailpipes on the outer edges of the rear bumper and help to create a fitting soundtrack to the enhanced dynamics. Customers opting for the Cayenne Coupe model may also choose a new, even more emotive center exhaust system with oval-shaped tips. In addition to offering a sportier appearance, the new exhaust, which is newly included in and only available with the optional lightweight sport package, is even louder than the sport exhaust system offered on the GTS models. The GTS-specific interior includes GTS sport seats with GTS logo on the headrests, leather interior, an extensive Alcantara package, brushed aluminum interior package in black, door sill guards in brushed aluminum in black with GTS logo. Optional deviated stitching in carmine red or chalk as well as the tachometer with GTS logo and contrasting colors further enhance the interior. The chassis setup of the new Cayenne GTS models creates the ideal prerequisites for outstanding lateral dynamics. The standard steel spring suspension lowers the car by 0.8 inches and includes Porsche Active Suspension Management for active and very sporty damper control. Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus is also fitted as standard. In combination with its standard 21-inch RS Spider design wheels, the generously sized gray cast iron brakes, fitted with red brake calipers, the new Cayenne GTS models bring the agility and spontaneity of a true sports car to the SUV segment. As an option, deceleration can be optimized by means of the Porsche surface-coated brake with tungsten carbide coating or the Porsche ceramic composite brake. Further options include 0.4-inch lower 3-chamber air suspension, rear axle steering, and the Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control Active Roll Stabilization System. The standard sport design package ensures a unique and exclusive appearance in combination with numerous accents in black. The new Cayenne GTS models are equipped as standard with 21-inch RS Spider design wheels in satin black. The LED headlights with Porsche Dynamic Light System and the continuous LED taillights are also tinted. The front air intakes, side window trim, tailpipes of the sport exhaust system, and the rear Porsche logo and model designation are all finished in black. The new 2021 Porsche Cayenne GTS and Cayenne GTS Coupe models are expected to begin arriving in US dealerships in the fall of 2020. Starting MSRP for the 2021 Cayenne GTS is $107,300. Starting MSRP for the 2021 Cayenne GTS Coupe is $110,500. Both prices exclude a $1,350 delivery, processing and handling fee.